Okay, on this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to either print the grid lines, that's the lines you see here. Either print the grid lines or there'll be no lines on there at all. All you have to do, there's a couple of different ways. One of them can get pretty easy, but if you go to File, Print, then you'll go to the Page Setup, and then you'll go to the Sheet, and you see where it says Print Grid Lines. You can go through all of that, or if you're in this, go to Page Layout, and you see the little checkbox here. You want to print the grid lines, because if you go here right now and you say File, Print, you see no grid lines. That's those little lines all over there. You see none. Now, if I came back in here and I check that box, now watch what it looks like. You see all the grid lines, little borders. That's what some people just call it. All the borders on there. Those are grid lines. You see, that's the difference. One you can print without it, one you can print with it. Just depends on what your boss likes. Some people like the grid lines because they don't want to lose track of them trying to go through the data, and they get down to the end, they go, let me make sure that. So you see the difference? That's it.